Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk to both the major talking points and features of the exterior and interior. Then I'll make my way around, I'll go ahead, take a seat, and of course then we can explore those interior details in a bit more depth. The vehicle is presented in the Estoril blue, and alongside that we fitted the vehicle with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Alongside that, we've added the 20-inch G20 Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see it is a 2017 67 reg, so of course it does benefit from that lovely facelift. The darkened front facelifted headlights, the tweaked LED rear facelifted lights, and of course a few interior tweaks, all of which I'll point out as we go around the car. This vehicle does come with some very nice optional extras. It is the 420D 6-speed manual, and it has the BMW M Sport Plus pack, as well as a few other extras. So there you can see the M Sport Plus brakes. So not only are they larger on both the front and rear, they do also use a better stopping distance thanks to the compound of brake pad that is used. Onto the interior, where you find a black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with both the heated and the electric lumbar options. And as you can see, that is very nicely presented. And again, thanks to the M Sport Plus pack, you'll also find the Harman Kardon with Logic 7 surround. In the rear of the GRAN COUPE variant of the 4 Series, you have an Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a centre folding armrest and the darkened M Sport headlining, which once again is all in a very nice condition. Moving on towards the rear of the vehicle, again just showing you off these brand new alloy wheels, which of course being all brand new are completely unmarked, and again you can see those very standout M Sport Plus brakes, and of course being finished in blue do match that exterior colour very nicely. At the rear of the car we have got both the gloss black rear diffuser and matching rear spoiler, which sits very nicely on that automatic opening and closing tailgate, which we're going to open up now to allow you to see just how much luggage capacity you do get on this very practical yet very stylish vehicle. And there you can see just how large that boot capacity is, along with having the split folding seat option to make that boot space even larger. And closing that down, we'll head round to the other side. You will of course notice the facelifted rear lights I was mentioning at the start of the video. And again, we'll see just how nicely presented this vehicle really is, and how striking and eye-catching the Estoril blue is, especially when it's combined with one of our Your Next Car Mperformance kits. One last look at the alloy wheels before I head on inside, again to explore and show you some of the further details. The vehicle also has the power folding mirror option. Taking a seat inside the vehicle, straight away we're greeted by the professional wide navigation and media screen. And we'll run through just a few of the features and functions of that, starting with the navigation function, which is a very nice and user-friendly system, and it also keeps up to date with the live traffic updates, so it keeps you on the fastest route possible. Moving over to the media side of things, where you have DAB and a wide array of other multimedia aspects which you can currently see on screen, along with other functions like Bluetooth media, CD, DVD, USB and AUX. On the Bluetooth media side of things, there is also Bluetooth phone call, as you can currently see now on screen. And heading back to the main menu, you can see again, thanks to the facelift, they have now separated everything into nice user-friendly little sub-menus. And if we scroll over to the Connected Drive menu, it's also got the Connected Drive Plus option, which gives you access to online search, news and weather functions, which are all powered by Google, and that utilises the vehicle's own onboard 4G network. So don't worry, it does not use any of your own personal data, and is a really user-friendly and again a very functional, useful tool to have on a vehicle. Back over to the car itself, as you can see all of the service requirements are highlighted in green, and the next service is not due for 14,000 miles, and the vehicle does have some recorded services at BMW, as you can see now. This vehicle has covered just over 40,000 miles. And as I did mention, it is that 6-speed manual, which works very nicely with that 2-litre diesel engine up front. There is of course the rear facing reversing camera, which again, very thought after option in combination with the front and rear parking sensors. So as always with our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you do have any questions, please do drop them down below into the comment section, where I will of course be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. If you are requiring further information on this vehicle, or any of our other ones for that matter, please do check out the link below, which will take you to our website, where you'll be able to obtain the prices And any finance options, you can have a play with our finance calculator, again on our website, on this absolutely incredible 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. We do hope to see you very, very soon. And of course, if you do want to stay up to date with all of our latest and newest stock here at Your Next Car, remember to hit that subscribe button. That way you can be kept up to date. Thanks for watching, take care, and goodbye.